Dealing with rejection can be really tough. But if someone doesn't want to be with you, it's important to respect their feelings while also taking care of yourself. Give yourself time to grieve and feel sad. Try talking to a trusted friend or family member about how you feel. Writing your feelings down in a diary might also help. If you find yourself dwelling on the person too much, look for productive and healthy ways to distract yourself, such as exercising or working on hobbies you love. Remind yourself of your positive traits and look for ways to learn and grow from the experience. If you have to be around the person, keep your interactions simple and polite. If you're uncomfortable around them, limit your time with them as much as possible. Politely excuse yourself so you can get the space you need.